Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator app from Android to iPhone. So I'm currently on a Android device, so I'll show you how you can transfer your Authenticator from your Android to your iPhone. So first up, you just gotta go ahead and open up your Authenticator. So let me just quickly open it up. Here we are. Now, once you're inside Authenticator, what you gotta do is just simply press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. Once you press on them, you'll see a option called transfer codes or transfer accounts. So they are pretty much the same. What you have to do is simply press on this transfer codes option, and right over here, you've got two options of export codes and import codes. So you obviously wanna, switch your device from. So you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of QR code. So just gotta go ahead and press on the option of export codes because you're exporting or if you're importing, it basically depends, but it will show a QR code when it's needed. So you just gotta go ahead and scan the QR code from your iPhone device, and it will directly open up and transfer your authenticator from your Android to iPhone. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.